Hi, good morning everyone. My name is Zanaria Gold. There's this common norm going on, and I feel I should address it in my own little way, that men are cheats or men are born dogs. It's quite funny, yes, but as funny as it appears, they're welcoming it. They're welcoming it. You hear a young man tell you it's in our nature to cheat. And I'm wondering where exactly that is written. Because I don't think I've really seen it somewhere of a reasonable point that men are born dogs or men should cheat. It's something that if you find yourself in that mess, you should hide your face or look for someone who will help you out of the mess you found yourself in. It's a life that when you find yourself in, it reduces you from someone to nobody. A commoner who wouldn't have spoken to you will speak to you. You receive threats from people whom ordinarily should not even come across your path. It incurs a lot, or it brings a lot of destruction to you. It slows your progress in life. It reduces your speed. I think that is just what I want to say. It reduces your speed. If you're supposed to be running on a faster lane, you step back. The goal you would have achieved in life is limited. Why? Because you have decided to mingle or entangle yourself in what will not bring speed to you. It brings a lot of expenses that ordinarily you shouldn't have incurred. The life of being a dog that you pride in. The life of being a cheat that you boast of. In fact, it webs you. It ties you in a circle that ordinarily life did not plan for you. There are so many damages attached to a life of a cheat, more than a life of a non-cheat. There are people whom have vowed to themselves that me, even if the whole world is cheating, I cannot cheat. And it's doing well for them. It's working well for them. I have some of such persons around me who have vowed to themselves that even if the whole world is turning into cheats, I am not going to be a cheat. Why don't you also try that kind of a thing and wear the crown of beauty? Because there's a beauty attached to people who don't cheat other than people who are cheats. Try that today.